think if I had a jetpack, I 100% would go over like a rush hour traffic jam and just dump mayonnaise on them and just be like, caca, caca, while I'm flying over them. Have like, dress up like Big Bird or something. Now that would be an afternoon to remember for everybody involved. News would be made aware of it. Police are on the lookout for Big Bird. They released a sketch of Big Bird. Of like below Big Bird was crying people. No. Emphasizing the trauma. What would be better to do, like, I can't believe it's not mayonnaise, or like true mayonnaise, or like salad dressing mayonnaise in that circumstance? If only I could afford a jetpack.